When it comes to Proton VPN versus Hide, Me VPN, there's a lot of talk about both being top-tier options, but which one truly deserves your attention? In this video, I'm going to compare these two VPNs and give you an honest breakdown of the pros and cons of each, and why neither might be the best option for you in the long run. Stick around, because by the end, I'll share an even better alternative you'll want to know about, especially if you're looking for the best overall VPN for your needs. First thing, let's dive into Proton VPN, which markets itself as a secure, privacy-focused option. Proton VPN offers a range of features like strong encryption, a no-logs policy, and access to servers in over 60 countries. On the surface, it's a solid choice, but once you get deeper, you start noticing some limitations. For starters, while the free plan is a nice touch, you're only limited to servers in 3 countries, and you can't stream Netflix or access geo-blocked content unless you pay for a premium plan. Next thing, let's talk about Hide, Me VPN. Hide, Me claims to be the best free VPN, and it's easy to see why many people gravitate toward it. The free plan offers 10 gigabytes of data a month, which is decent if you're a casual user, and it lets you choose from 5 server locations. The issue here is, while the free plan is generous with data, it's still far from perfect. You're capped at one device connection, and speed can be inconsistent, especially during peak usage times. Not to mention, the premium version comes with a steep price tag, making it less appealing if you're on a budget. The fourth thing I want to mention is that both Proton VPN and Hide Me have solid security protocols, including AES 256-bit encryption and support for OpenVPN and IKEv2, which is a win for both. But when we're comparing overall performance and value, Proton VPN takes the lead with its ability to unblock streaming platforms like Netflix and Hulu, something Hide Me struggles with even in its paid version. However, what really sets Proton VPN apart is its Swiss-based jurisdiction, which gives it a huge advantage when it comes to privacy laws. That said, while Proton VPN offers better streaming access, the free version lacks speed and server variety compared to paid VPNs, which can be a deal breaker for more frequent users. Now, what about Hide.me's speed? It's solid in certain locations, but the inconsistent performance makes it harder to rely on for daily browsing or streaming. Both Proton VPN and Hide Me are good options in their own right, but there are compromises in each. So, what if I told you there's a better alternative? After trying both Proton VPN and Hide Me VPN myself, I can honestly say that while these VPNs are reliable, they're not perfect. If you're serious about speed, privacy, and unblocking content without the hassle of free plans or restricted features, then you should check out the link in the description. Take advantage of the exclusive free trial available only to our viewers. Trust me, it's worth it if you want a VPN that works without the usual limitations you get from Proton VPN and Hide Me. Both Proton VPN and Hide Me are great for basic needs, but if you're looking for the best overall VPN, the option in the description is the way to go.